In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make classic profile on Canopy. Okay, so then we have to make a basic shape, basic wall with a rotated rectangle. Anyway, we can place from this origin, and then we can push it to the front, and then we can. I'm sorry, we have to make sure that it's flat. So then we have to push it up around 3 meter. Okay, and then we can push it to the another side over there, just like this, and maybe we can turn off this shadow for the first, and then we can make it group. Okay, and then we can make maybe we can just make the window opening just like this, just for example. Then we can make the canopy over there. Okay, and then we can push it to the forward. We can push it forward around 800 millimeter, for example. So then we can make it group, and then we can make the profile of this classic profile. We can use this line. Okay, we can drag it until maybe around 300, and then we can just draw it with a sense of artistic, with every single corner over there. We can use this, and we can use this, and we can draw this. Okay, just something like this. Okay, if we got it, then we can make the another variation about the for several every single corner on this profile, um, classic profile. Okay, we have to make the 2 point arc to make a curvy and many more. Okay, okay, we can just use it, or maybe we can just flip it to the back side to make the profile. Okay, so okay, and then we can make this profile. So it will be classic profile. You can see this, okay, and then we can make the line start from here and turn here and end on here, and then we can select all of this perimeter line, just a 3 line anyway. So then we can select this, follow me, and it's done anyway. So then we can just make it group, and we can assign with the white material or another material as we want anyway to make it classic. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.